My name is Roger Artola, and I'm teaching the drone course for the Del York Creative Academy. But we had a lot of fun going over the basics of drone, and I really feel like the students are they're catching on quickly.
The teachers have been very, very supportive in terms of helping you to understand every bit and every functions of a drone.
I definitely think by the end of this course that they will learn a lot more and be professional in what they're doing. We're really sharing everything that we have, so by the end of this, they will be legit professionals that can achieve, way more than what they could do before.